There are many places to visit in our world. There are some places that are naturally formed and some places that are man-made. The Acropolis is a man-made wonder of the world. In today's episode, we will learn more about the Acropolis and see why it is so popular with tourists. The Acropolis of Athens is one of the most iconic and historically significant archaeological sites in the world. Situated on a rocky hill overlooking the city of Athens, Greece, it represents the zenith of ancient Greek civilization. The Acropolis is a symbol of classical spirit and civilization, embodying the cultural and political achievements of the city during its golden age in the 5th century BCE. The most famous structure on the Acropolis is the Parthenon. It is a temple dedicated to the goddess Athena. Built between 447 and 432 BCE, it is considered the pinnacle of Doric architecture. The temple housed a massive statue of Athena made of gold and ivory. Another temple on the Acropolis is the Erechtheion. It is known for its unique and complex design, as well as the famous Caryatids, the columns carved in the shape of female figures. The temple was dedicated to both Athena and Poseidon. Serving as the grand entrance to the Acropolis, the Propylaea is a monumental gateway built in the mid-5th century BCE. Its impressive structure features a combination of Doric and Ionic columns. A small but elegant temple located near the entrance of the Acropolis. The Temple of Athena Nike was built around 420 BCE to celebrate Athens' victory over the Persians. It is one of the earliest fully Ionic temples on the Acropolis. Though not from the classical period, this Roman-era theatre built in 161 AD at the base of the Acropolis is noteworthy. It is still used today for concerts and performances. While not on the Acropolis itself, the nearby Acropolis Museum is an essential complement to a visit. It houses many of the artifacts found on the site, including statues, friezes, and other treasures from the Parthenon and other temples. The Acropolis served as a religious centre, with temples and altars dedicated to the gods and goddesses of the Greek pantheon. It also had a political significance, symbolising the power and culture of the Athenian state during its peak. The site has survived through centuries of wars, invasions, and natural disasters, standing as a testament to the endurance of classical Greek architecture and culture. Many tourists choose to explore the Acropolis with a guided tour. These tours are led by knowledgeable guides who provide insights into the history, architecture, and significance of the various monuments on the site, such as the Parthenon, the Erechtheion, and the Propylaea. Self-guided tours are also popular for those who prefer exploring at their own pace. Visitors can rent audio guides or use mobile apps that offer detailed information about the Acropolis and its monuments. The Acropolis is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a key symbol of Western civilization, influencing art, architecture, and thought throughout history. It remains a major tourist attraction, drawing millions of visitors annually who come to marvel at its architectural grandeur and historical significance. The Acropolis of Athens is not just an ancient ruin, but a symbol of human achievement, reflecting the ideals of democracy, philosophy, and art that have shaped the modern world.